Hi everybody, welcome to my matrix. It's Matricity. Hope you're having a great Sunday. I am right now enjoying the breeze. Can you see the breeze moving my hair here at the Battery? And it's wonderful. I guess these are some of the storm breezes that are going to be coming in, so it's really nice right now. It's still hot. Of course, it's Charleston and it's hot, but the breeze is pretty nice. I started to think about straws, and I know that the only reason why I'm talking about straws is because the daughter got mad at me because I commandeered her metal straw. She is semi-vegan and she's into the environment, and she was using a metal straw long before I was really aware of the benefits and how it was a good thing to do. And so I kind of commandeered her straw because it was so refreshing to use with ice water. Once that straw cools down, it's really good. So I commandeered her straw probably about 2 months ago, and she's been wanting it back. And so guess what she did? For my birthday, she gave me one. But I do want to talk a little about the straws and why that's important for our environment, and using a metal straw is so important today. Now this is the common straw, plastic straw that we always use. And I'm going to open this up just to show you. It's made out of plastic. And the reason why it's so detrimental to our environment is because about 500 million straws are used every day in the United States, and they are single-use items, and you simply throw them away. So the bad thing about straws, the plastic ones, is that they don't break down. They are lightweight, they get thrown away, and they end up in our waterways. And when you think about environment, they are in the top 10 things that end up in our waterways, our lakes, our rivers, and they're bad for the environment. They don't break down, and they are not biodegradable because of the things that they're made out of. Lots of plastic have lots of chemicals in them, so they don't break down, they don't biodegrade. They may break into smaller pieces of plastic, and then the chemicals, that once they're in the water or in our environment, they kind of leach out and go into the water, they go into the air, they go into actually our wildlife, because they then eat the plastic unknowingly in other things. So it's bad all around. And you know, when I think about it, I don't even remember when plastic straws became a thing, because when I was a little girl, they didn't exist. They had paper straws. Paper straws were all there were. And so we were all used to using paper straws. You knew you had to drink your drink kind of fast because the paper straws would get kind of wet, and then after a while, they kind of disintegrated, but they were paper. So I really don't even remember when plastic made its way onto the straw scene. But they're here now, they're not good, and we need to make the conscious effort not to use them. So guess what I got? As I said, my daughter gave me my own straw, and she gave me Final Straw, and I'll show you what it looks like. And this is the first time I've even opened the box, but it's called Final Straw. And this is a straw that's going to hashtag let you, as it says, suck responsibly. Yeah, suck responsibly. So it's really kind of neat. And this one is cool. So with Final Straw, this is going to be the last straw that you will ever need. You will never need to use plastic again. So I'm going to carry this with me wherever I go. So in this cute little box, mine is the teal. And it's really kind of cool because it actually is a key ring. This can go right on my key ring. It has a little fob here to go right on the key rings. You can see that. And let's do the unboxing. It comes in its own carry case, so I never have to worry about it being lost. If I keep it on my key ring, I'll have it with me all the time. But I'm the one who tends to like keep it in the purse or keep it in the cup all the time. But anyway, it's got a snug little fit in here, but I'm gonna open it up, and it kind of pops open. Woo, there it is. It's iridescent. And of course, iridescent, glittery, just like me. So I'm gonna be very happy with this. So it kind of folds at the joints. It's got the joints to fold it back up, get it back in the box, and it'll fit right back in. But you see, kind of pops out, becomes a straw. There you go. I have my permanent straw that I'll never have to use again. I mean, use a plastic straw again. So this is my final straw. It also comes with cleaning. It has its own little brush inside here. So down inside there, you can see, you pull it out, comes out like a scope, the cleaning brush. So once you use it, like, every couple of days, you're going to put it in some warm soapy water in the sink and put this in and clean out the brush to make sure there's no mold or anything in there. So I am very excited to have my own final straw. I think she said she got this downtown at the Turbis store, which is right across the street from her workplace. So the Turbis Mug store downtown in the market sells these, but I think you can also get them on Amazon as well. And they're different colors. I've got the seafoam green one, but there are other colors that you can buy. So this is something that you want to consider getting to save the environment, save our wildlife, save our turtles, because they are very affected by plastic and straws. Just consider getting your own final straw. So that's my little pitch today on these straws and trying to help the environment, because it's so important. We are destroying our world with paper and trash and waterways. And I know that out in the middle of the ocean, there is a big collection of, it's a whole bed of plastic out in I think it's the Pacific Ocean. And there are companies out there trying to clean some of that up. But, we use way too much to really counteract the cleaning that they're doing. So we really need to consider doing something safe and something good for the environment, and it's good for us. So every little bit helps. Just one less paper straw, one less plastic straw will help save a life of a turtle or something in the environment. So anyway, that is it. Talk to you later. Remember to like and subscribe here. Want to try to grow my channel. See you later, alligator. Bye.